What's up? It's me, it's your girl Diane. Take two. What's up? It's me, it's your girl Diamond, and I am back with another mother freaking video. So today I'm making Alfredo. That's what our video is gonna be about today. How I make Alfredo. So I done already started it a little bit, and I don't want to try to say nothing because this is how I make my Alfredo. So I had some garlic. I put some garlic and some butter in there and let that kind of warm up. And then I put my half and half in there, letting that kind of marinate. As it bubbles up, I put more. And yeah, that's where we at right now. So yeah, y'all coming to cook with who? Me. Duh. But this is our vlog for day 2. Vlogmas day 2. See, when you start doing that right there, bubbling up, you just add some more. Do. Like that, like that. You just mix it up. I should have kept that bottle. Mix it up. And then I add some heavy whipping cream to thicken it up. Thicken it up. Thicken it up. Don't ask me how much because I don't know. I just pour.
Oh, that look nasty, dog. Shut up.
Some little seasonings in it just to flavor it up. Onion powder. Just a little bit, not too much.
That's why you make the nasty. Look at how you make this.
Did some drop out? Okay then. Garlic powder, even though we got some garlic in there, so you just need a little bit of this. Not too much. A little bit of paprika, because this stuff strong. Smoked paprika. Correction. I got this. And just a little bit of Tony's, because it's salty.
You ain't washed the pot out good. Soap bubbles in there.
Girl. It's not no dang soap bubbles. That's milk bubbles.
That's soap.
Shut
It
up.
was done.
You washed the pot.
No, I didn't.
Exactly.
I didn't wash that.
And I thought you were supposed to be making a chicken. Oh, I gotta make some bacon. We gotta make some bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. Y'all, I swear, not 9 times out of 10, but lately I be forgetting that I'm cooking bacon in the oven, and that thing be almost burnt. If you lazy, you can always use bacon bits and just warm it up in the pan and then put it in there. I'm saying after you mess with bacon and raw meat, wash your hands. This smells so good. I like to whisk it to give it a little more thickness with some air into it. This is the chicken we're using. Let me see. Girl, you might as well put the rest of the bag.
That's why I asked.
Smelling good. Smelling delicioso. And this is the... Why did you do that? Did you really hit yourself? No.
You hit my ear.
No, because why was your head in the refrigerator?
See the dates of my little lunch.
No. This is the cheese that I use. Shredded Parmesan. Shake it up. I'm gonna put it right there. Y'all, I hate this lighting. It's trash. But I'm not finna get my ring light.
Are you over here trying to burn my
I'm sorry. Alright, I'll be back when we get somewhere in between.
No. cheeks.
Oh, now we got better lighting. You throwing some back up, your whole knees in the way. You are supposed to open it all the way for safety precautions.
Happy?
Yes.
Happy?
Yes. Y'all want to see our bacon?
Somebody out there skirting.
That's the bacon. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. You wanna know why I think cooking is not my thing?
Because you can't cook?
No, because I be wanting fast cooking. Like after I get cooking, I want it to be like hurry up. I be turning the fire up.
No,
Like
this way.
yes. Turn the fire up like come on. You water supposed to be boiling. Why you not boiling? Y'all can't even see me pouring the cheese. I like to let it just kind of melt some before I touch it. But you don't want it to stick to the bottom. So, look at that. Look at that. I like to add a little bit of ranch seasoning in there.
Okay. That's you just kill me.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
Okay, well do a little taste it in.
Be quiet. I got this.
Because you made it salty one time.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. It's never been salty.
Well, it tastes like water one time.
For real?
I don't even.
Exactly. You just be talking.
Okay, and
Yes. All right. I'll be back when we almost done. We'll be back. Yeah, and I know y'all talking about all my cereal up there. Mind your business. I like cereal, and my kids like cereal.
I don't like cereal.
You're not my kid.
I do like cereal.
You're my little duckling.
I'm bigger than you.
She always follow me around. She always follow me around like I'm her mom. Like I'm her mom. Bam!
I only have one mother.
Boom!
Which one? Ew.
Yeah, y'all see my neck?
This one.
Oh, I be so tired of you. Like this one.
Why you got this shirt on? Who is this?
ACDC College.
No.
It's a band.
What's the name?
ACDC.
So what does it stand for?
All the people names.
Then what you gonna do?
This is nice and thick.
Where?
In the thing, stupid.
Oh, okay. What to say? You just slurped it, and all I saw was two splash
No,
dots.
it's not gonna stick on here.
Did you even taste it?
Nope, I never tasted it.
I'm gonna give you a props. The sauce is good.
Yeah, and I didn't measure nothing. I didn't even taste it. I just be pouring and sprinkling.
You got lucky because that fish was nasty as fuck.
I swear, I do not like her.
Oh, you can do it that. I ain't even touch.
No, I'm keeping it in there. Since she also talking about freaking cooking. Well, next time you cook it.
No.
Exactly. Add the bacon in there. And we gonna mix it. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me come get y'all. I gotta see this. Look at this. Oh yes, Olive Garden me. Yeah, you can't tell me this don't look good. You hear that? Yeah, so it gotta be good. Yeah, that's my pasta. That's my chicken Alfredo. Bacon chicken ranch Alfredo. But yeah, that's my bacon chicken ranch Alfredo. Y'all gotta watch us try it. Hold on. Bam. I can't dance to save my life. Let me put this stuff up. I'll be down. You gotta taste it for the people. Tell me what it tastes like. She don't like it. Exactly. But that's how I make my Alfredo pasta. And I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're not part of the journey, then what are you doing? Like, really ask yourself, if you're not part of the journey, what are you doing? And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, that they should be right here. And she's finna get some more already. And that's really about it. Deuces. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.